Subject Assess Revision Day 1. Take the correct answer. The landform rises more than 900 meters above the mean sea level is known as mountain. Tick 2, mountain. The difference in height and shapes of mountain is due to their age. Option is age. Stick to age. Plateau have cold climate because high altitude. Because of the high altitude, plateau has cold climate. Dash are more thickly populated than mountains and plateau. Plains. Answer is plains. Most deserts are found on the dash side of the continent and dash of the side of mountain. That is western side of the continent and leeward side of the mountain. The valley widens when a river leaves the mountain and enters through plain. Answer is plain. Africa is continent. Answer is continent. Which of these is an ocean? Pacific. Answer is Pacific. Write down the answers. Take the mountain. Second one age. Third one high altitude. Fourth one plains. Fifth one western and leeward. Sixth one plains. Seventh one continent and eighth one Pacific. What does the Latin word mappa means? Answer is napkin. The earth is shaped like a sphere. A map gives information on climate and rain of a region is called climatic map. Tick to climatic map. The earth is unique planet because it has land mass and water bodies. Option B. The explorer who sailed around the world was Ferdinand Magellan. Tick to D. 13D. A political map shows countries and capital. Tick to A. The ratio between the distance on the map and actual distance on the ground is called scale. Option C. The symbol used to show a city on a map is small circle. Let's stick along with me. What does the Latin word mappa means? Napkin. The earth is shaped like sphere. Maps gives information on climatic and rainfall is a climatic map. The earth is unique because it has masses and water bodies. Have you done it? The explorer who sailed around the world is Ferdinand Magellan. The political map shows countries and capitals. The ratio between the distance on map is called scale. The symbol used to show the city on a map is small circle. Tick it. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate option given in a bracket. The dash divides the earth into two equal parts. Equator, parallel. Answer is equator. Underline to equator. The imaginary line running from north to south are called dash or lines of dash. Are called parallels. And line of latitude. Parallel. Third one. Parallels and meridian cross each other at dash at 90 degree. Distance in the dash direction as measured by meridians east west north south. Distance in the east west. The meridian that passes through the Greenwich is called the dash meridian. Prime meridian or equator, that is prime meridian. A dash is a network formed by parallels and meridian grid. Dash has a steep slopes and conical peak, that is mountain. Dash has a steep side and a flat top, is plateau. This flat and fertile land is thickly populated. Answer is plain. Underline to plain and write all underlined answers into the blank. Is it clear? True or false? Question number 3. The east-west lines drawn on a globe are called parallels. True. All parallels are of the same length. False. The North Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. False. The Tropic of Cancer lies in the northern hemisphere. True. We can make a globe for a small portion of Earth. False. Forests and industries cannot be drawn on map. False. Symbol on a map shows features that cannot be drawn. False. Plains and mountains are shown in a different color. True. Complete true or false in revision book. The session is over. Learn the revision, practice it for exam. Thank you, children.